The payoff of an experience is the experience itself. Therefore, the only thing you have to experience, sacrifice, is your desire for that experience. We indulge in certain fantasies and feelings and recollections and memories because of that which it brings up, and we're doing it for the sake of that which it brings up. And thereby, the ego ensures its own survival through sheer repetition. We get addicted to being addicting. One of the things you got to let go of is wanting to become addicted. We're addicted to thinking, we're addicted to suffering, we're addicted to guilt, we're addicted. One of the things you have to detach from is the desire to become addicted to things. Not addicted to this, not addicted to that, but becoming addicted to addiction itself. Becoming attached to attachment itself. Some people become attached to everything constantly. They're just attached to everything. You just watch them. They're attached to this, they're attached to that. Attached to their thoughts, attached to their habits, they're attached to everything, attached to their possessions. You have to let go, not being attached to money, attached to greed, attached to sex, whatever. You have to let go wanting to be attached, period. What do I get out of feeling attached to things? Whatever they might be. Attachment itself, then, is some kind of a security operation operating out of illusion. So in spiritual work, you try to find the common denominator so that when you let go of this down here, it lets go a whole lot of things because you don't have enough time to let go all the blocks and impediments. What you can find is a commonality. Diffuse that commonality, and now whole rafts of things leave your mind and just never come back there anymore.